How to fix Roblox low memory warning on your iPhone and your iPad. So if you want to fix your Roblox low memory warning on your iPhone or your iPad, then what you need to do is first open up your settings application. Once you're on your settings homepage, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with general, and under general you need to go with iPhone storage. This section lists all the apps installed on your device and shows how much space each one is using. Look for Roblox in the list and tap on it. You'll notice an option labeled Offload App. Select it and then confirm by tapping Offload App again. When prompted, this removes the application itself, but safely preserves your account information and your game data. Afterwards, simply reinstall your Roblox from the App Store. By doing this, you clear unnecessary cache files and temporary data, which often eliminates memory-related issues. Another important step is to check whether your iPhone is running the latest version of your iOS. Still, under General, you need to select Software Update. And if an update is available, download and install it. Apple frequently releases updates that improve device performance, and these can make Roblox run more smoothly. Lastly, remember that too many apps running at once can drain your device memory. While Roblox is open, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and press the home button twice on your older iPhones and close any applications you're not actively using. By combining these methods, reinstalling Roblox, keeping your software up to date, and reducing background activity, you'll greatly reduce or even completely eliminate the low memory warnings, leading to a much smoother Roblox gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.